Call me a welder all you want, but I ain't touched a welder in fucking 30, actually about 2 hours. Yeah. All the wood's over there, there's new wood. Yeah, call me a welder. I haven't touched a welder in 30 fucking minutes, so. Yeah, that's about as straight as we're gonna get. I beat the shit out of that son of a bitch, and I've heated that son of a bitch, and I've bent that son of a bitch. And I pulled that son of a bitch. That's about as good as she gonna get. Got that piece of angle iron right there out, so I can start putting the boards in. I'm gonna go get the wire wheel and clean some of this stuff out of here. And then, I gotta run the wire through there somehow. I don't know how that fucking wire runs. I guess it probably comes right through there. Maybe. Fuck, I don't know. There's a hole there. Yeah. I get all that shit. Fucking wire wheel all that off. Oh shit, fire, I just farted. Oh, we got the trailer finished. There she is. New hitch. Chains put on it. Wired all up. That unbent. I just gotta work on this fender, but ignore that. Wires put on. Extended wire mount, light mounts. Tag light and tag plate holder. She's all ready to go. Got all the wood loaded and cleaned her up. Alright, I'm out of this, John.